Hi guys, I'm Akshita and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be really motivational for the students who are going to give board exams of 10th and 12th. So next year, that is 2024, February or March 10th or 12th exams usually are held on February or March. So this video might be motivational to you. Also guys, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, click the bell icon so that you never miss any of the videos from my channel. And do you know guys, all my videos are really interesting. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon. And also comment down below and share your views about this. So let's start. Since childhood, I never went to any coaching classes or tuitions. My mother is a teacher, so she used to teach me till standard 8. Then from standard 9, I started doing self study. In standard 10th also, I did self study, and I'm very happy to say that I got 88%, 88.20%. All my friends used to go to coaching classes and tuitions. My friends told me that their parents used to pay about 60,000 for 1 year. Some of their names used to always come in fee defaulters list. My name never came in fee defaulters list as my parents used to pay fees in advance. So my actual story starts from here. As soon as I came from my school camp, I suffered from cold and cough as I had seasonal bronchitis. As the boards were coming nearer, I had suffered with tonsils twice. My both the grandmothers were in serious condition. My maternal grandmother had brain cancer and my paternal grandmother was serious in her last state. My mother really was tensed and depressed. By seeing her like that, I also got tensed and I was in tension. Besides, toppers from my class used to make fun of me on the basis of my marks, and also they thought that it was not my cup of tea to score marks, that too by self study. I used to cry and tell my parents about this. My parents always used to motivate me and used to make me feel better. I myself know that I am not only good at studies but also in singing, playing keyboard, and drawing, which are my inner talents. All the credit goes to my mother as she is the only one because of whom I was able to do self study and score such good marks. She cleared my base and made it stronger. Thanks to Madhura teacher also for her guidance in Marathi subject. During both, I used to regularly watch old episodes of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, which also used to refresh my mood. Also, I used to do drawing, singing, playing keyboard, which made me feel much better and motivated me to do good in exams. Also, special thanks to all the teachers of my school, as all the school teachers were very supportive and encouraging. Also, now special tips for you. Number 1. Regular practice of maths and science numericals. At least make sure that you give 1 hour for numericals. And make sure after solving an example, you try to solve the other question on your own and then see the final answer of it. Don't skip the textbook. Read the textbook thoroughly, which could help you score even 90 above. Number 3. Make sure you don't mug up the things and understand the concepts. Last but not the least, marks doesn't decide one's future. Remember that at the end of the day, it's the knowledge which matters the most. So, if you're going to give your boards this year, then do not panic and don't stress. Always remember that you can do it and you are the best. All the very best.
See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.